What if the biggest thing that is stopping you from achieving your dreams is the limit that you put on yourself? Everyone has dreams. I have a dream. I have a dream of achieving great things. You have dreams that you want to reach at the top, to be successful in life. Don't tell yourself that you can't do it. Guys, you can do it. Okay? I'm always telling myself that I can do it. Do not put a limit on yourself, okay? Because when you put a limit on yourself, you're telling yourself that you can't do it. You're just permanently placing yourself at a level that you don't want. And that's bad, guys, because you have potential. We have potential. I have a potential. Everyone has a potential. Imagine what you can become when you maximize yourself, when you get out of that limit that you're putting on yourself. You need to keep pushing. And so to get out of that limit, we need to upgrade. For example, guys, I have my DJI Mic Mini 2. At first, I was using the Bluetooth, but now I already got the Lightning adapter, which I don't know if you noticed, but the audio is better. We need to be better, guys, okay? Just like in the games and just like in real life, if we have better gear, we have better equipment, we perform better in life. But we can't get those equipment or gear if we don't play the game. You need to keep playing. You need to keep pushing yourself. You need to be consistent in life. You need to keep doing that job that you don't want. You need to keep funding the dream. You need to just do it, guys, okay? Just do it. Because everything that you earn, every equipment, every reward that you get, everything can unlock unlimited possibilities, okay? A lot of possibilities are going to come your way. So I'm telling you guys, you need to constantly improve yourself. Keep up the growth. Be consistent in life. Be better 1% every day. Repetition beats everything, guys. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Don't fear the artificial limits, guys. That's just artificial. You don't need to be scared by everything. Don't be scared. Don't fear of trying new things so that you can get out of that limit you're putting yourself. So you can push through and level up. Plus, when you stay in your comfort zone, you're gonna be stagnant. I know that I said that we need rest. We need our comfort zone sometimes. But still, we need to get out of that comfort zone sometimes too, guys. And being uncomfortable is the best way to improve ourselves, to level up, to get out of that limit we are putting ourselves, okay? That's why we need to push ourselves. We need to push beyond what we are used to and challenge ourselves. We need to challenge ourselves to get past those limits, guys. That's why I'm telling you to invest in yourself. Give yourself an upgrade. I know you're doing your job so that you can fund the dream. And I'm telling you, when you upgrade yourself, when you invest in yourself, you get to unlock more possibilities. You can treat yourself better and unlock more. So you need to find better ways to do things in life. Adapt, guys. You need to always adapt so that you can improve yourself by being 1% better every day. That 1% stacks up every day. 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. Everything stacks up and you become the best version of yourself, guys. And I'm telling you, you need that discipline. You need to keep that discipline even if the motivation disappears. You don't need motivation, guys. You need to just keep showing up, be consistent, and trust in yourself that you can do this. Just do it, okay? You need to keep maximizing yourself, guys. Don't settle for the version of yourself that you know that you don't want to be. Because just like that saying in my previous video, God didn't put that idea in your head if He didn't know that you can do it. Plus another saying, that feeling of wanting something so badly, that version of you in the future already has it. I'm gonna repeat myself. The version of you in the future already has the thing that you want so badly right now, okay? That's why don't limit yourself to the version of you that exists today, guys. You need to get out of that limit. You need to push through. You need to fly. Fly like a butterfly, okay? So this is my challenge to you guys. When there is a moment that you think that you can't do, tell yourself that you can do it. Because if you put a limit on yourself, your brain is going to tell you that you can't do it. Okay? So tell yourself that you can do it. It's all about the mindset, guys. You can hack your brain into telling yourself that you can do it. And also tell me in the comments what is one thing that you want to upgrade yourself, okay? Because I finally upgraded my DJI Mic Mini 2 by using the receiver. And I know that's a big win for me. I'm pushing myself past through my limits because I know that I have the potential. I have the potential to reach my dreams. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you like and subscribe. See you all in the next one. Peace.